there, this is Veena. A warm welcome to Patty Cake. Today I have a fragrant, delicious, finger-licking good Goan curry for you. It's a quick black-eyed peas or beans recipe. Let me show you how I make it. Here I have 1 cup or 180 grams of black-eyed beans or chawli that I had washed well and soaked overnight in a good amount of water. If not overnight soaking, it needs at least 5 hours of soaking time. Let's now drain away the water the chawli was soaked in and add fresh water to it. There should be at least an inch of water above the beans. We'll also add a potato to the curry. This is optional. I've already washed and peeled it. Now let's cut it into cubes. Though also made with white chawli like I'm doing today, this curry is traditionally made with the red or brown variety called Alsande in Konkani. And so the Konkani name for the curry is Alsande tonak. Tonak meaning a curry made with coconut and onion. Let's add the potato to the beans, along with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll now pressure cook this. Once the cooker comes to full pressure, I'll lower the heat and let the beans and potato cook for 7 to 8 minutes under pressure. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the masala paste for the curry. I'll begin by frying a 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 6 cloves and 4 petals of star anise in 1 teaspoon of oil for a minute. Let's then throw in 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and fry these for a couple of minutes. Next, let's add half a cup of grated coconut and roast everything till the coconut just begins to change color. We'll now let the mix cool a little and then transfer it to a grinder jar. Along with around a quarter cup of water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 8 chopped garlic cloves, and a sliced 1-inch piece of ginger. I'll grind all of this to a smooth paste, adding some more water as needed. Here's our masala paste. And here I have 4 chopped medium-sized tomatoes. Let's puree these. I pureed the tomatoes without adding any water to them. Here are the beans we just pressure cooked. For the tasty curry, the beans have to be cooked till they are soft, like this. In this vessel, I have 1 tablespoon of ghee heating on a medium flame. I'll fry around 3 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts in the ghee till they just start browning. This is an optional addition, so no problem if you don't have cashew nuts at home. I'll turn off the heat and remove the fried cashew nuts to a small bowl. Now I'll turn the heat on again, and to the same pan I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'll add 5 chopped green chillies and saute these for a few seconds. And then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Let's fry the onion till it just starts changing color. After that, let's add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Let's saute these for a few seconds and then add in the masala paste. We'll saute this for around 2 minutes and then add in the rinsing of the grinder jar, followed by the tomato puree. and stir everything. We'll then add the pressure cooked beans and potato and stir everything well again. Next, we'll season the curry with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then stir the curry and taste it. It needs around 1 more teaspoon of sugar and a quarter teaspoon of salt. To enhance the taste even further, we'll add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Let's taste the curry again. It tastes just right. It has the proper balance of all the flavors. But at this stage, if you find your chilies are not hot enough, you could add in some chili powder. And if your tomatoes don't have the right amount of tang, you could add in some lime juice. Make any necessary adjustments to the taste. Finally, we'll add in the fried cashew nuts and some chopped coriander. Let's give this aromatic black-eyed peas masala curry a final stir. And then plate it. Our Goan Chawli curry or Alsande tonak is ready to enjoy. You could have this with roti or chapati or even rice. It goes really well with rice too. I just have to sample this. Simply delicious. You must make this in your own kitchen. I'm telling you, your family will surely enjoy it. And if you liked this video, please support my channel by sharing the link, giving it a thumbs up, and becoming a subscriber if you haven't subscribed already. Bye for now. And till we meet again, happy cooking!